Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be teaching you how to add Instagram highlights from your camera roll. So first thing what you want to do is click on your Instagram app like so, and on your feed you can see different options, but what we're going to do is click on the plus sign on the top part of the screen. It will show you different options, but we will be choosing story. It will prompt to your gallery section. Maybe we can pick a picture and then we can post it, and then from there we can click that and then wait for it to upload. And then on the bottom right corner you can see the three dots. Click highlight, and then you're good to go. It's in. That's all. Thank you for watching.